Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Spotify account permanently. This guide is specifically for free Spotify accounts. If you're a premium user, don't worry, I've got a separate video just for that. If you're ready to delete your free account, here's how to do it. First, open the Spotify application on your device and tap on your profile icon located at the top left corner. Next, click on Settings and Privacy. Once you're in Settings, tap on Account. Here, you'll see an option that says, to close your account yourself and delete your data permanently, click here. Tap on that link to start the process. Once you've clicked on it, you'll be guided through the account deletion steps. Scroll down and click Continue to close your account. You'll be asked to confirm your action. Just click on I understand and then select Continue to close your account again. At this point, Spotify will send a confirmation email to the email address linked to your account. Open your inbox and find the email from Spotify. Click on the Close My Account link provided in the email. Then select a browser of your choice to finalize the process. That's it. Your Spotify account will now be closed successfully. If you try logging back into the app, you'll see an option to reconnect, but your account will no longer be active. Important note: if you change your mind, you have 7 days to recover your account. After 7 days, your account and all associated data will be permanently deleted. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to my channel for more amazing tutorials and tips. Also, share this video with your friends who might need it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe and take care.